Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you're a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord. We're giving daily signals. Today we give a signal to Intel long. Yes, still now we're still holding it because the market today it's been very flat. It doesn't move to nowhere, but we make a nice profit from yesterday's short and all those things, so you can even join us there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the daily candle is finished here and it gave us here a indecision candle because market it's been flat all the whole day. The market refused to move to nowhere. That's what us we been, because us we been active trader today. Market refused to move to nowhere, so us we still stuck with it. Yes, for scalping like 5 minutes, 1 minute, us we making some profit, me and my team. But for the guys in my Telegram and my Discord, I give them a long signal till now they still holding it, and market it's locked flat, so market refused to move. So here in the daily there is nothing yet. If you remember what me I told you like that and like that, as you see it, till we breaking here for us to know the market is going to go up, or we breaking down here for us to know the market is going to go to touch that 200 moving average we show you before. Till now there is nothing, so us we still waiting what the market is going to do. And today we got major news, so be careful guys about those things, because today is going to come non-farm payroll. That one is making the market to move mad up and down, but for mid-term and long-term it will not affect you. The time picture is too clear guys here. And another thing, let me show it to you. Those ones here, if you remember, that one here the 50 moving average and that one here the 100 moving average. As you see, the market now it's stuck between them here. Market refused to move upward or downward. As you see, us we still here in the middle of those ones. Me personally, I think there is another move is going to come to touch here the 200 moving average, and after that we're going to see if we are going to break it or no. But everything still looking the same, because every time when we touch it, the 50 moving average here, we make a move upward, then after that we fall down. But now the market look flat here at that level here, and that level here is got a war. As you remember what me I told you here, at that level here, if you remember it here. Now also we got a war here. If we break in that level, we're going to go till 26k. So let's hope we are not going to break it those days, because me I'm talking for long-term investors. But if it's break it, also we're going to buy, as I show you before. That time picture is too clear guys here. Now let's go to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. The coming news for today guys, as you see it, which is here. What we got that one here, the first one that average our earning of USA. Then we got that one here, non-farm payroll. That one is making the market to look mad. Plus we got unemployment rate, and also we've been talking about it. And as you see it down here, it's going to stay where it is now, 3.6. So the market will not move that much. But the picture is too clear guys here. Then down here we got our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. As you see it, what it's telling us till now, all US stocks they are falling down. If you remember Monday what also we telling you, same thing now, everything's still red. But me I just buy today more SP500, because till now me I'm still the market it will recovers as soon possible. And as you see down here, if you see our friend the VIX, what it's telling us till now, the VIX it fall down below than yesterday. Yesterday we used to be 16, today we fall down, we break that 16, we are 15.92. This one slightly a little bit, but we fall down. That good news. By the way, if you want our long-term investment in the SP500, you can join us in our VIP Discord, which is down in description of that video. You will not pay that much. It's only $10 per month. For your stocks is only $5 per month. It's very nice and smaller price. If you want, you can join us there to benefit from all those things. And down here, US dollar, as you see it, guys, what it's telling us here, it's still going up, is 102 because of the debt selling and the problems I tell it to you yesterday. That way we see the US dollar is still going up. But time picture is took like guys here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin did today in 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, as you see, you remember when also we enter along from here till up here, but the market here, it couldn't break the 200 moving average. That bad news here. But as you see here, that 3 moving averages are what they're telling you. They're telling you you are in a downtrend. And today we couldn't break here the 50 moving average. Even that one is very, very, very bad news. So me personally, I think there is another drop here in the 4 hours. The market will fall down more. I've been talking about that thousands of times. But for you to enter, what you need the market to calm down to break that level here. As you see it, that one here, it needs to be broken here for you to enter short, or you can even focus about only that one here. As you see it, the market here is going to give you here a double top here if it's breaking down, because the trend line also we've been talking about here, that one here, we said we couldn't break it down here. Now the market couldn't give us here another high, that means it couldn't break that 50 moving average. That the bad news here. So that's what's happening in the market. Sometimes we are right, sometimes we are wrong. That's a part of the game, guys. We've been telling you that. And we show you yesterday here, we got a down channel here, like that. We show it to you in yesterday video. Like that, we told you we touched the top of it here. Now maybe the market is going to fall down to touch the lower of it here. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, is it here stuck? That's what it's telling us. That way, as we saw in the market today, very flat. But I think it's going to break down here and it's going to go till down here till it will touch in here, the oversold area. So even that one, you need to be focused about it. Then from there, we're going to buy again, because till now, from the overbought area, till now, also we haven't touched the oversold area, and also we still waiting what's going to happen coming days and coming hours. So that's what the market telling us till now. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, it touch here, the oversold area. That's why me I told you don't follow indicators. Now it's showing to us the market here is going to fall down. If it fall down and breaking that low here, that's when the market is going to fall down more than that. And that one maybe is going to fall down here again to give us a divergence or something. So everything is possible. And me I told you now, you can focus about that trend line here, that one here, to get broke by a 4 hours candle for you to enter short, or you focus it now about that trend line which is here, that one here, to get broke here for you to enter long. Even that one is possible. So picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, us yesterday we've been waiting here. It's getting broke here, that level here, as we enter along. Then we put a stop loss down. The market fall down till here. Then today it go up till here. But also we haven't closed it, because also we been aiming the market will go up till here and here. Now the market here, he given us here a very, very, very clear double top here, because as I told you, also we got here moving averages. Let me show it to you. As you see them here, those moving averages today, they give me headache here. Couldn't break above, they couldn't break down here. Every time it came to the top, then it came a red candle, next candle. Same thing here, as you see it. Everything still the same. There is nothing new here. So here, as you see now, another thing, let me show it to you. If you came here to that level here, to that peak, that one here, and you do it like that, and you came to the top of that one here, and you do it like that, you got here a very, very, very clear symmetric triangle. And if it's getting broke down here, we will enter short. If it's getting broke above here, we will enter long. So till now, we still stuck between that symmetric triangle here. It needs at least to get broke. You can make it from the top, you can make it from here and here, like that. Even like that, you can make a symmetric triangle like that. So you choose which one you want. Me, I prefer that one here because me I like to connect it by the tails of those candles like that. You can make that one here like that. Even that one you can make it as a symmetric triangle and you wait in the break if it happen here or here. But till now we haven't broken either up or either down, so there is nothing new. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here our indicator is it in the middle, it doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. So that's it for that video, guys, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. If you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.